Busy week locally and abroad. Let's see what made the Intense 5. So, Mackerel is out and Blurface Girl is the next viral sensation. Apparently, she's an aspiring DJ with a diss track calling out a few artists.
Lexus a drive a O2 Nissan March. Some don't seem nah no education. All kind have no funds like waste man Lisa I broke and stations. Make sure go find a little job over Sun City Station. Bling dog money move from beside him. Mac and have dollar me prove that presiding. Thing I run the place a sample 6 bucks. So him find a big woman a Bermuda fi mine him. Toddler poor can't manage can't afford cargo pocket full of ants like damage all board. Keep corrupt broke and the great buccaneer him a selling a shop on Spanish Town Road.
I wonder if she's going to reveal herself anytime soon.
Golly Bob says he's still around, but getting a fight from radio disc jocks who aren't playing his latest music. He's getting ready to release his latest EP. Rumors. Wonder what the new music sounds like.
Cardi B got her tongue pierced at BeautyCon. The event was held in New York and Cardi was the headline act. Even though she arrived 2 hours late, everybody wanted to see her, including me. That wait was ridiculous. And nobody would leave. Nobody would leave.
Shenseea calls off a few tour dates after being put on vocal rest by her docs. She posted the message on social media. Hope you get better soon, girl. Trust me, rough.
And finally holding the spot this week, don't diss Popcorn's girl, especially on social media. A Twitter user felt the short wrath of the DJ after calling his girlfriend ugly. Popcorn wasn't having it and defended her almost instantly. Oh, Poppy, that's so cute. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG and Facebook at TBJ Intense for the latest in entertainment news.
Up next, it's all about Romain Virgo and Melanin. Intense soon forward.